Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TECHEDU-INFORMATION, Knowledge is Life. In previous video, we have drawn line with the help of line function. But now we are going to see how many line algorithms are there and how we are going to implement this. So in today's video, we are going to see DDA algorithm. So basically for line drawing algorithm, there are three different algorithms: DDA algorithm, Bresenham's algorithm and midpoint line drawing algorithm. From that, we will see first one, DDA algorithm. So DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer. The simple line we can draw with the help of this algorithm. It is having starting and ending coordinate values and it generates the point between starting and ending coordinate values. So what is the procedure? So procedure of DDA algorithm is having two parts. First one, given part, and second one, steps part. So in given part, we are also having starting and ending coordinates, and in steps 1 we are having 4 steps. First one, calculate the slope of line. Second one, calculate absolute values of differentials, then finding 3 cases and repeating the step 3rd up to ending coordinate values. So these are the steps for algorithm. So what is the first step? So suppose we are having starting coordinate value x0, y0 and ending coordinate value xn and yn. So we need to calculate first of all differential of x, differential of y and m. M is nothing but slope of that line. So differential of x will be xn minus x0 and differential of y will be yn minus y0, and the slope of that line will be calculated differential of y divided by differential of x. On the basis of this slope, we are going to calculate. So first of all, we need to find out the number of steps or points in between starting and ending coordinate values. With the help of absolute of differential of x and y, we can calculate the steps which are used or points which are present over there. So if the absolute value of differential of x is greater than absolute value of differential of y, then steps will be definitely absolute value of differential of x. So whatever the value of absolute differential x, that much points we will be having in between starting and ending coordinate. Otherwise, we will be having that much points which is having value of absolute of differential of y. After that, what is absolute value? So absolute value is nothing but the distance away from 0. If we are having absolute value minus x or minus 3, so it will be having absolute value 3 units. If it is having 4 value, so the absolute value of differential of particular coordinate value will be 4. So next one, DDA steps. So as we are all aware with that, current point is considered xp and yp, and next point xp plus 1 and yp plus 1. This is not the ending point. This is the point which is coming next to initial starting point of that line. Okay. So on the basis of slope of that line, we are having 3 cases. So what is the slope? If slope is less than 1, then for next point of x coordinate value, we need to round off with increment of x initial value of p by 1. And we are making second point y coordinate value or second value of y coordinate value will be made up of round of yp plus m. Okay. So if the case, if slope of line is having it's exactly equal to 1 value, then we will be having next point by adding 1 plus initial value of x and y by having 1 plus yp. Okay. Then case 3rd, if slope of line is greater than 1, then next point will be achieved by round off of 1 by m plus xp, and yp plus 1 will be achieved by round off 1 plus yp. So we have to do these steps until we get ending points. So I hope everything is got clear. Thank you.